आमकां अशी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेळूंक ना. आमी अशी सहज आयिल्ली टू चेक द हायजिनीक कंडिशन ऑफ ऑल द प्रिमायसीस इन वास्को रेस्टॉरंट्स. सो आमी ह्या रेस्टॉरंटान भितर सरली तेन्ना वी फाउंड इट व्हेरी अनहायजिनीक, and that is why we have decided to close down. And once the compliance is given, we will ask him to open it. Till then he has to shut down the premises for cleanliness of and hygienic conditions.
मॅडम किती ऑब्झर्वेशन किती अशी मिळाली?
ऑब्झर्वेशन म्हणजे खूप ऑब्झर्वेशन्स मेळ्ळे, लायक the cooked food and the raw food was kept together. All the refrigerators were dirty. Lot of unwanted items were kept in the premises. Magir, all the food items like were stored in the plastic containers which were broken. He was using colors for the food. He was using all this sauces and all which were kept in the Bisleri bottle which are supposed to be disposed. So हे तांकां मी सगळे सजमोन सांगले. द थिंग इज त्याचे फ्लोरिंग बी सारखे दटी असलेले, स्टोरिंग रूम उदक साठवलेले असलेले. So washing area was dirty. The toilet was found in the premises, which we have asked him to close down. And after he complies with all these deficiencies, then he has to give a compliance in the office, and then we will inspect it and open it. Everybody have to have good health. And to have a good health, we have to have good food. So if we have good food कितें घरानूच कूक केले फूड बरें असता, रेस्टॉरंटान कूक केले वायट असता अशें म्हणना. बट इफ इट इज गिवन इन अ व्हेरी हायजिनीक कंडिशन, इफ ऑल द थिंग्स आर केप्ट इन प्लेस, नॉट युजींग कलर, नॉट युजींग न्यूजपेपर, वेज नॉन वेज इज स्टोर्ड प्रॉपरली, सगळे समज ह्यो हाय रिस्क कंडिशन्स आसा पळय ते कंप्लाय करीत जाल्यार ऑल द फूड विल बी safe for people to eat. And now many people are suffering many diseases because of this unhygienic, because of color. So they have to stop using all this color in the food items.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.